Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Myself Shweta Mutkal, a representative of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Today we are going to start with GK, so take out your books and I hope you will fill all the answers in a very neat and clean handwriting and try to understand the concept as well, because I am going to teach you a concept that is little bit different from which we have read earlier. This is our last chapter students, protest on podium. So what is podium? Podium is a kind of stage. You can write is a small platform which someone stands in order to give a speech. Podium means a small platform on which someone stands to give a speech. And what does protest stands for? A protest is a statement of action expressing disapproval of or objection to something with regard to particular events, policies or situations. बच्चों क्या होता है, किसी भी सिचुएशन में किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का या पॉलिसीज़ का या सिचुएशन का अगर हम उसके फेवर में नहीं होते हैं तो हम उसको प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं. जैसे रिसेंटली आप देखेंगे कि अभी किसान लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना. तो इसी तरीके से ये रैलीज़ के थ्रू हो सकता है, हड़ताल से हो सकता है, डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन से हो सकता है. और इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे वो प्रोटेस्ट जो कि पोडियम्स में किए गए, एक डायस में या स्टेज में किए गए, वो पोडियम्स हम लोग इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है बच्चों. नाउ हियर यू आर गिवन क्लूज अबाउट सम प्रोटेस्ट एंड protesters. Protester means who is protesting the particular situation, policies or events. Fill in the blanks with the help of the help box. What we have to do? We have to name that protest by the given clues and the pictures. Student, as you can see in the pictures of two person who has raised their hands with the black gloves, and another one is not doing the same. And this is Tommy Smith and John Carlos won the gold and bronze medals in the 200-meter in Olympics of 1968. We are talking about the Olympics that was held in 1968. On the podium they raised their fist wearing black gloves. When the anthems were played, it was called. बच्चों क्या हुआ था, इसको ब्लैक पावर सैल्यूट के नाम से जानते हैं. इन लोगों ने अपना प्रोटेस्ट शो करने के लिए ब्लैक कलर के ग्लव्स को पहन के अपना फिस्ट ऐसे फिस्ट में ब्लैक कलर के ग्लव्स को पहना था. कब? जबकि उस कंट्री का एंथम हो रहा था. ठीक है. तो क्यों शो किया था बेटा इन्होंने? दिस वॉज अगेंस्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, और वी कैन से द रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन विच वॉज डन विद ब्लैक पीपल. नंबर 2 स्लोवाकिया से बिलोंग करने वाली जिम्नास्ट थी जिनका नाम था वेरा कास्लावास्का. टर्न हर हेड डाउन, listen to me carefully, turned her head down in protest against Soviet style communism and Soviet invasion of her country during the Soviet anthem. During 1968 Olympics, it was called anti-Soviet protest. As you can see in the picture, what he is doing, I am going to explain you. During 2008 Olympics, world champion Greco-Roman, means Greek and Roman, wrestler era Abrahamian protested as he was made to lose his semi-final bout by placing the medal in the center of the mat. It was called controversial rolling. इन्होंने अपना मेडल फ्लोर पे रखकर अपना प्रोटेस्ट शो किया था. ठीक है. Number 4, as you can see in the picture बेटा, on a podium in 2014 of सोची पैरालंपिक्स. बेटा जैसे ओलंपिक्स होते हैं ऐसे पैरालंपिक्स होते हैं जो कि डिसेबल्ड पीपल के लिए होते हैं. ठीक है. who are physically disabled. Members of Ukraine's cross country skiing relay team covered their medals in a silent protest over the situation between their home country and Russia. It was called Ukrainian protest. Okay. Now the last is Sarita Devi. As you can see in the picture, burst into tears and stormed off the medal dais. After being presented with the bronze medal, she believed she deserved to be in the finals. It happened during the Asian Games 2014. इन्होंने किस लिए प्रोटेस्ट किया था? She believed कि she deserved to be in the finals, but she was not. She didn't get it. इट हैपन, ये कब हुआ था? एशियन गेम्स 2014 के टाइम पे हुआ था। Students, I hope you understood the concept and the chapter as well. This is very interesting chapter. Read it carefully. Thank you.